Chariot is great for capturing data about all of your sites and equipment that you are monitoring. The point of having that data is to keep you aware of any incidents that might require action be taken. For you to be informed of when action should be taken, notifications should be set up. Custom notifications can be generated from right within Chariot. From the left-hand navigation, click on Notifications. In this case, we're going to create a new rule. First step is select the site. And now the parameters, or workflow, of our rule. For this example, we're going to meet all of the following conditions. That lighting zone 1 is off. For greater than 0 minutes. Obviously, this will trigger an alert pretty quickly, but for the purposes of this video, that'll be perfect. Let's give our rule a name. Lighting zone 1 is out. We will do a text notification. And let's go ahead and give it custom text as well. We'll go up and click Save. Now that our rule is created, we can turn our rule on or off with this toggle here. In the future, if you ever need to delete your rule for any reason, click into the rule, click the 3 dots, and then delete. Now let's take our new rule for a spin. We'll go to Sites, and then our Site Beta Box. And we're going to locate Lighting Zone 1. The threshold we set was anything greater than 0 minutes. So we're going to turn our light off. Now we'll refresh our page. You'll see that we have a notification indicating that the lighting zone 1 is out in the office. That same notification will be present on the Notifications tab as well. We have also received our notification via text.